David Hume, Theory of Knowledge. Berkeley developed his philosophy through a criticism of Locke's theory of ideas. David Hume developed his philosophy through a criticism of Berkeley's theory of knowledge. According to Locke, both mind and external objects are very essential for knowledge. According to Berkeley, perception is the essence of existence. Berkeley do not admit the existence of any object outside the mind and its ideas. Like Locke and Berkeley, David Hume accepted perception is the source of all our knowledge. David Hume denies even the existence of mind because mind is not given to experience. According to Hume, the mind is nothing more than a continuous stream of ideas.